Hello, this workflow video will show you how to utilize Sketchup models and bring them into Synchro to give your model some context and some location. So basically, you can bring a 2D image into Synchro. So if we go to Google Maps, as we've got here, and you find your location, for this workflow video, I'm going to use a location in London where we've got the Shard, we've got the Tower Bridge. So once you've got your location, if you use a snippet tool, there you go. We save as. Now what we could do, we could bring that image into Synchro. So as you right click in your 3D window, go to create, textured plane. Now what we want to do is left click, drag to create your box, left click again. Now we want to find that image that we just saved from Google Maps. Here we go. Just call it Google Map image. Press OK. Now you just want to create a resource. Next. It's a location resource. Press next. Press finish. And there we have it. Just turn the grid off so you can see it more clearly. And there you have it. Your 2D map into Synchro. Here is an example of how you can utilize a Google Map image in Synchro. As you can see, I've got a 3D model here. It has its surrounding buildings, but it's floating in midair. By adding in a 2D Google Map image, it improves the visual aspects of your model. So let's turn it on. It gives your model some context. Now I can visualize and see the surrounding roads. I can see where certain elements fit within the surrounding area. I can plan transport routes, and visually it just looks so much better. An outsider or a client will be able to understand the project more with this Google Map image than if it was just floating in midair. Now going back to our 2D map of London, if your construction project is in a prolific area where there are nearby popular attractions or buildings, you may be able to find these on Google 3D Warehouse. So if we go to our internet, 3D Warehouse. Now on our Google map, we've got attractions like the Tower Bridge, City Hall, the Shard. So I want to type in the Tower Bridge and see what we get. And as you can see, there's a range of models. I'm going to have a look at this one. Yep, so if we click download, as you can see, it's downloading down here. So if we go to File, Import 3D, Add Files, find the location of where your Google SketchUp model was downloaded. We go open, import, then we want to assign to a new resource, material resource, add resource underneath build tree. Actually, let's use the top one. Let's keep it all as one resource. Assign to this resource, don't build tree. Finish. As you can see, it's coming at a larger scale to your 2D Google Map image compared to your model. To your Google Map image. So what you want to do is scale it down. So if we go to 3D properties, you've got scale. Scale it down again, and again, and again, maybe one more time. That's probably near enough. Now what we need to do is move this model closer to the 2D map. So if we right click, go edit, just use the advanced manipulator. You want to bring that down, bring that across. That's perfect. Let's make it plan view. And there we have it, your 3D model on top of your 2D Google Map image. I did the same process of finding models from the Google warehouse and downloaded them into Synchro with some other models. You see there's a tower bridge. I also found a model of the City Hall. I also found a model of the HMS Belfast ship, and I also found a model of the Shard. Thank you for listening.